Tired of begging your American friends to Venmo you back? Let's unlock a simple workaround for Canadians wanting the convenience of Apple Cash. First, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. This is where all your digital cards and passes live, and where we'll find our Apple Cash alternative. Now, this is the key. You need to set up an Apple Card. Don't worry, you don't actually need to use it. Tap the plus sign in the top right corner to add a card. Select Apple Card from the list of options. Follow the on-screen instructions to apply for the card. Approval is usually pretty quick, but may depend on your credit. Once your Apple Card is set up, even if you don't use it, it activates Apple Cash features within your wallet. Now you can use other features that allow sending money, such as through iMessage, directly from your Apple Wallet. Tap the contact you wish to send the money to and tap the Apple Cash icon. And that's it. While not true Apple Cash, you can now easily send and receive money with your Canadian friends using the power of your iPhone, which is as close as it gets to Apple Cash in Canada.